The Lester Glenn Collision Center is one of the largest shops in the Northeast. It's nearly 30,000 square feet. We have the most state-of-the-art frame machines, spray booths, prep decks, and all our technicians are certified. We accept all insurance companies. We have rentals on site. If by chance we meet by accident, we will restore your car to like new condition. Insurance companies may try to send you to a collision center of their choice. However, Lester Glenn does work with every insurance company. We do accommodate all their needs, and we will repair your vehicle to like new condition. Now, no matter what type of vehicle you have, Lester Glenn can accommodate that. Whether it's a vehicle purchased at Lester Glenn or not purchased at Lester Glenn. Whether it's one of our brands or not one of our brands, you have that decision to let the insurance company know that I want to have my vehicle repaired at Lester Glenn Collision Center. We will walk you through the repair step by step. We're going to contact your insurance company. We're going to get approvals to get you set up with alternate transportation, regardless of what type of vehicle you're driving. One of the most important things with the Lester Glenn experience, which is in our mission statement, is treating every customer with dignity, respect, and being completely transparent. And not just meeting their expectations, but exceeding their expectations. And one of my responsibilities is to make sure that all my support staff does that on a regular basis. Again, if we meet by accident, Lester Glenn Collision Center will make your experience as easy as possible throughout the repairs of your vehicle.